Hey you guys, before we get started, I wanted to show you the mat that I got from Adriana. I'm sure you've seen a ton of other people using it. It is the LOLI VEFE mat. So conveniently it says Love Life this way, but it's pronounced LOLI VEFE. And I wanted to show you guys what I do with it. So it comes with this little scraper and a little caddy. So you paint on it. It's a silicone mat. It's actually really durable and sturdy. And then you can peel off. You can work in resin or acrylic, and then you can peel it off. So I wanted to show you guys what I do with my skins. I take these to shows. They're really strong magnets. I take them to shows and people can use them, and it's functional art. So I have all these little, that's an iridescent one, all these beautiful magnets, and the way to make the magnets is the pieces are in my store, my Amazon store, but look at that. They're gorgeous, right? And I just buy the magnet and the cabochon and I glue them on, but I use these skins. So this was the skin from my most recent video that I just did on my ring pour, where I wrecked a ring pour, and look at how beautiful. That's gonna make a beautiful magnet. People use them on acrylic pours to go over top. People use them for jewelry. But this stuff gets saved, so no paint, I mean, it turns into plastic, basically. So nothing ever goes to waste around here. I use it, and these are great for the shows. It's hard for me to work looking in the camera. But yeah, let me see if I have any other. I have some smaller ones, too, but I've sold out of most of them. This is all I have left. Like, look at that. How cool is that? And then people always have something to look at you on their refrigerator and to remember you by. So I just wanted to show you guys, I am super excited about using my mat. I looked on Amazon and I found a couple of other mats, but there is nothing this large. So LOLI VEFE offers the jumbo, which is 60 by 80 centimeter, which is 24 by roughly 32. And the mega, which I think may be sold out right now, but she's coming up with more in stock, is 100 centimeter by 140, which is a 40 by 55 inch mat. All the dog mats and the other mats that I looked at that were pretty comparable pricing, actually, were like 18 by 20 mats, and those were still $10 or $15. So this mat is, I believe, $39, and that's for the jumbo, and if you use the code MOLLY5, or if you follow the link under my video, you'll get $5 off and a free scraper. So make sure that you don't put the scraper into your cart, because she's going to give you one, and it's free shipping in the US. So it's actually a really good deal in my opinion, and it's a great way to save your skins. I know there's tons of other ways, and if you can't afford it, you can't afford it, but if you can, it's a really good way, crafting and for fluid art, to not be wasteful. So all right, onward to the video. Thank you guys. All right, so there is my canvas. I went ahead and painted it black first. That was just with regular acrylic paint. I'm using treadmill silicone, 1 to 2 drops in every color. And I'm gonna go for an open cup pour. So I had seen Mina, I think it's Villegas, doing some open cup pours and trying not to tilt. So we'll see how that goes today. I think I have an idea. I may spin it at the end, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys. So, I always tell you look at the positives and look at the negatives, right? So, the positive is I have outdone myself because this is by far the ugliest painting I think I've ever done. For those that do open cut pours, more power to you because it's not my thing. Spinning it didn't work. I had too much paint. The colors got muddy. I shouldn't have put the white in there. Like, this is an example of what not to do. I was not clickbaiting you with the title, The Ugliest Painting I've Ever Done. So, I mean, the positives, I had a couple of cool cells, like those cells right there are really cool. Where did it go? That, like, I have a bunch of cells that are like that. You know, overall, the corners are kind of cool. Overall, the ugliest painting I've ever done. All right, you guys. I'm sorry, I'm so tickled at how disgusting this looks. You guys, be nice, but let me know what you think. All right, thank you guys for watching. Happy painting. Bye.